It is now time for Ask the Expert, and today we're talking about cats and whether it's a good idea to let your house cat roam outside.
Joining us live this afternoon is Jenny Miller of the Wisconsin Humane Society. Thank you for joining us. What should we all know kind of as a rule of thumb when it comes to our cats and going outside?
Well, a rule of thumb, what we generally say is it's best to keep your cats indoors. And there's a lot of reasons for that. It's safer for your cats. It reduces disease transmission. There's a lot of things outside that can be dangerous for cats, everything from cars to predators, parasites, starvation. Right now, frostbite with the cold weather. In the summer, we're looking at issues with heat stroke. And so it's just generally safer for your cat to be indoors.
Do you know whether or not, especially at the Humane Society, when you have cats up for adoption, like this little cute one here, do you know whether or not that cat has been an outdoor cat, an indoor cat, and if that cat is used to the outdoors, how do you make the transition?
That's a good question. If you have a cat that has been outdoors before and you want to move them indoors, that is possible to do. A couple things we recommend is to make your home as enriching and exciting as an environment as you can. So get some really wonderful toys, some scratching posts, some cat trees, and if you can set up even a little perch so they can look out the window and see birds and little critters, that really helps to keep them enriched and stimulated.
Now, I don't know many cases of this, but I have a friend who lived more in the country, and she had a cat that really wouldn't come inside. Is there ever a case of that where it just really, what do you do?
Into eating?
Yeah, not even to eat, really.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and we recognize that there are cats that are truly feral, and those are cats that are they're terrified of people. They don't have any desire to be inside. They maybe want to come get a little bit of food and a little nose rub, but that's going to be it. And if you have a cat like that, that's okay too. We recommend if you are able to provide them with some type of shelter to the elements, whether that's a garage or a shed or laying down a bed of straw or hay, something especially this time of year where they can be safe and warm. That's the best way to help that type of cat.
Cats can be very fickle creatures, so tell us about this cute, adorable kitten you have here.
Yeah, this is Buttercup, and from what I can tell, she is just a sweetheart. She's curled up in my lap, just purring away right now. She's 3 months old, and she's been spayed, vaccinated, and microchipped, so she's all ready to find her new family. She's available at our Milwaukee campus right now, so you can come on in and meet her, as well as the many other wonderful cats and dogs and small animals we have.
So if she should ever decide to go outside and get lost, she'll be able to be found because she's been chipped.
Yes, exactly, and that's another great thing for any dog or cat. Get them chipped and get a collar on them.
All right, thanks for joining us. Yes, well, if you have a question for our experts, you can always email them at asktheexpert@tmj4.com, or you can call 967-5253. That number is also on your screen, and leave a voice message.